Hello everyone, my name is Anjali and this is my second long video. So I share my point of view. I share some good thing also whatever I know. Yesterday also I made one shorts video. The topic is about healthy and good food. So in that video I didn't share lots of things because that video is shorts video. That's why I want to share more thoughts whatever I know. So that's why I make this long video. So please, those are watched my video, so please watch full video, because the reason even I did some mistake in the video. So please correct me and guide me, then it's good for me and for my betterment. So please, those are those are reached my video, so please watch full and explain me and message me where I made mistake, because for my betterment it's very good and it's for helpful for me. So please watch full video. Okay, the topic is the healthy food and healthy lifestyle. What's mean for me, whatever I know. So that's think that much I just share. I don't know much, but it's my practice part. So I share whatever came in my mind. So please, no one judge me. I know lots of things and all those things. So this only I make this. The reason is only one thing. So I make the video. My it's my practice. It's my practice part, and I just talk in front of camera. I want to talk in front of camera. I want to betterment my English confidence level and way of communication. I just want to reach the higher level. That's why I make the video, and I may made I made English sentence. I made just a speech here for my English speaking practice only. So last 3 years, my father has been suffer his health condition. It's some liver issue, like health issue. It's some liver problem. He has been faces for last 3 or 4 years. So that's why I also know some little bit about the health. So what we should follow and what we don't follow, this thing. So that's why I choose that topic is healthy lifestyle and healthy food. And I tell you, not I don't know much, but whatever I take care. I take care my parent, whatever I just take care my father, what's the doctor told him to follow, and what's lifestyle should he apply on their life, so he become a better day by day. So that's the reason I just choose this topic, and not no and nothing other thing. So yeah, the doctor told my father is you have to like follow very healthy diet chart, without any oil food, just boiled vegetable. Doctor told him to eat boiled food and boiled vegetables. Doctor told him to eat only, and no tea, no coffee, nothing. Just like eat less food, like in a day 5 to 6 meal, but the meal quantity is very small, because if they eat too much, then digestion system is doesn't didn't work. So that's why the doctor told him to eat healthy, to eat very light food. And doctor give lots of medicine him, they time to time they have to eat the medicine also. So yeah, this is all thing. I tell you what the happen is, he is he is very like foodie people. Earlier 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 like he loved to eat spicy food, he loved to eat outside food like veg, non-veg a lot they eat, because they love to eat non-veg and the spicy oily food. That's why he is not take care. That's why he had he in his earlier life he is not take care a lot. That's the reason now, after so many years back, his health is not well and he suffers some problem. So that's the reason, is the that's the reason is thing. And that's why I just understand, if someone someone apply their lifestyle, healthy food and good food, yeah, and do like some yoga exercise, not much, their life is well without any disease, they live their life very happily. Because I know this thing, if in the family member, in our family member, even anyone has some disease, some body problems, some health problems, so all family member has been suffer on that only. So the reason is only this. And also I, oh god, sorry, I didn't know where I see in the camera. So my like look is good, because I didn't know. I see in camera only, then I see myself in front of screen. So it's going wrong or what? But yeah, I just learn day by day what's the right thing, and record myself. So yeah. Yeah, earlier life I also didn't take care my health, because I'm also very foodie, like eat lots of junk food, outer side food, and very different type of food, delicious food, spicy food. And my bad habit is also I eat. And because my bad habit is I love to eat sweets means like very sweety food. It's uh, whatever in came in sweet food, like it missed some dessert, some sweets, some jalebi, that sweetest food I love to eat. So in last 1 year, I also control myself, because if I am not take care of my health, so I have also faced some problem in my future. So that's why I just decrease my food quality, like junk food and all those. And I have nowadays I just avoid outside food. I just eat homemade food, and less quantity of sweets. So yeah, and I try more to avoid those things. And I some of one told me also this thing, if someone eat like if they want to eat uh, like junk food is the main fast food. So then weekly or after 15 days, we have to plan the day, like in a week I eat healthy food 6 day, and after 6 day I eat only one day, one cheat meal, then it's good. But we didn't plan our uh, this thing, and we eat like whenever we want, then it's bad. Then I also try to apply this thing, like if I eat some chow mein something, then after like I wait for a week, or I wait for a 10 days, then after 10 days back go and eat. I go and eat chow mein, momos, and those all things. So yeah, this thing, yeah, this about my side. This is like some little knowledge whatever I know about this topic about healthy lifestyle, healthy food. I try to share my point of view only on English, only for my practice part, only for my like mm, what's the word I didn't capture in my mind. Only for my English speaking practice I share my point of view. So please, no one to judge me ki I don't know much and all those things. This is only for my practice part. So please, those are watch full video. So say me in comments, like comment and say my mistake in comment box, and what how I went in my English speaking. So thank you so much those are watching my video.